Top 5 Practical Ways to Earn Money Online for Beginners. Do you know that you can actually earn real money online very easily? Let me tell you top 5 best practical ways by which you can make real money online. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for new videos. Hey there, tired of finding the right way to earn money online? Well, this will be the final destination for your question. I'm making more than $1 lakh online, and I'm going to tell you how you can also earn money online efficiently and in the right way. Also, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about how to make money online, so get ready. Excited as I'm. So, let's get started. Number 1. Online selling. According to me, online selling is the best way to earn money online, and believe me, it's much easier than you ever think. So, what is online selling, and are we going to make money from online selling? So, let me tell you. What is online selling? Any product or services we sell online in exchange for money is known as online selling. There are many ways by which you can sell products, services online. The most common and practical way for online selling is e-commerce marketplace. Hey, don't worry. Only the word is so dense. The thing which we're gonna do is so simple, and even a kid can do this. Now, selling on an e-commerce marketplace means you are going to sell your products or services on any online e-commerce website like Amazon, Flipkart, which accept third-party sellers. You can quickly start your e-commerce business in India in just a few steps. Well, if you want to start your e-commerce business, there are basically 2 types of e-commerce businesses. The first one is in which you start your e-commerce business on your own website, shipping solution, warehouse, marketing team, customer care, and more like that. This one is much more complicated and not easy to start, and also required colossal capital to be introduced. However, the second one is much simpler, and anyone can actually start if she has some knowledge about the internet and how things work on the internet. It's about selling on any big marketplace e-commerce sites like Amazon and Flipkart. You might not know that you can actually start selling on Amazon, and customers can buy your products from anywhere in India or even world. Number 2. Dropshipping. Ever heard about dropshipping before? Yes, then great. If no, don't worry. I'm going to tell you everything about it. Dropshipping is one of the best ways to earn money online without making any investment. Well, you have to make some sort of investment to start your dropshipping business. But before I tell you where you have to invest, let's first talk about what actually dropshipping is. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a direct fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. So, you now know what does this term, dropshipping, mean. Now the thing is how to start this, and where you have to invest money and why. Well, the first thing is where to invest money and why to start a dropshipping business. Basically, there are only 2 things in which you have to invest money to start a dropshipping business. The first thing where you have to invest some money is into purchasing a domain. A domain is a website address, like anujeetshivam.com, startupsutra.in, and more. And the second thing where you have to invest some money is in running a Shopify account. Not only that, but you will also need some cash to run advertisements on social media. That's because you can't make even one sale if you don't promote your products. Now, that second thing is how to start a dropshipping business. Well, that's a lot of things you have to take into consideration to start a dropshipping business. But the first thing you have to do is to create your dropshipping store where your customer can place orders. Creating a dropshipping store and adding products into it is so simple and easy, and anyone can do it in just a few simple steps. There are tons of articles, blogs on Google about how to start a dropshipping business. You can check them out. Number 3. Freelancing. Don't want to invest anything, except your time and effort? Open mouth smile. You can start to earn money online by doing freelancing. Many freelancers are earning more than $10,000 each month. And that's an average of top freelancers, and if you have an excellent skill for which you can charge people, then this is for you. Freelancing is one of the simplest as well as the most robust work you can do online to make money online. Now, most of you are thinking like, hey Anujit, how it can be simplest as well as toughest? Well, it's simplest because you can start freelancing in minutes. Yes, in minutes. All you have to do is to create your freelancer account on freelancing sites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and that's it. You are now a freelancer. And it's toughest because there are a hell lot of competition out there, and if you want to succeed, you have to serve something unique and be an expert in your field. But still, there are many fields in which the competition are less, and if you take those categories, the chances of success are much higher. I'm also doing freelancing from the last couple of years and have more over $5,000 online by doing it as a part-time. I take website designing and digital marketing projects. So, imagine how much you can make from this if you do it as a full-time. The best part of doing freelancing work is you have the freedom to do your work from anywhere in this world, and at any time you like. Also, you don't have to invest any money into it to start working as a freelancer. Number 4. Blogging. Good at writing? Have good writing skills? If yes, you can become a blogger and start mining money from the internet. Yeah, if you don't know, you can actually make money online by writing blogs. You can create your own blog in just a few minutes from WordPress and start writing blog posts, articles. Once you have written good high-quality contents on your blog, you can activate Google AdSense and start showing ads on your site, and you will get paid. It sounds super easy, isn't it? Well, it is. I started blogging just a few months back, and I already started making money from my blog. And it's still in its initial stage, and the current source of income from my blog is only Google AdSense. There are many other ways by which you can make money from your blog. I'll tell you about that, so don't worry. Check out this blog to know more business ideas and learn how to make money and live a rich life. Now, let me tell you. How can you start your blog and make money from it? So, to start a blog in 2019, the first thing you have to do is to decide a niche. A niche is a particular sector in which you are going to work. Like my niche is business and finance, and I mostly write blogs on that. Once you are done with your excellent selection, it's time for getting a domain name. A domain name's the address of your blog, for example, yourstory.com or startupsutra.in. Always try to select a domain which is easy to remember and short in length. Next thing you will need is a good hosting. Hosting is a place where you put all your website files and folders, like images, video, posts, and site layout. It's just like domain is a plot you purchased somewhere and hosting is your house which has been built on your plot. Once you get your domain and hosting, it's time to connect your domain with your hosting and then install WordPress on it. If you're confused about how to do that, then check out this video tutorial which will show you how to connect domain with hosting and install WordPress. After installing WordPress, it's time to install a theme on it and build a website. Check out this channel which tells you everything about it. And then, you have to write and publish blogs on your site. Once you have over 30 to 40 blogs on your site and have some decent amount of traffic, you can sign up for Google AdSense and start making money from your blog. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. The simplest and easiest way to earn money online is affiliate marketing on this list. If you don't know anything about affiliate marketing and how it works, then don't worry. I'm here to tell you smiley face. So, what is affiliate marketing and how it works? Affiliate marketing is a kind of marketing used by big companies to promote their products and services and make sales. They run an affiliate program for this, and anyone can join that program for free. Once you become their affiliate partner by signing up for their affiliate program, it's time to promote their products, services. You have to promote their products, services, and if someone purchases their product from your referral, you get some percentage of the product's price sold through your referral as a commission. Isn't it so simple? All you have to do is to promote their products. Now, how you can start this? Well, the most popular affiliate program is Amazon Associates. You can join Amazon Associates and start making money by promoting their products. There are also many other companies having their affiliate program. You can also check them out. Also, if you do blogging or YouTube with affiliate marketing, then it becomes much easier to generate sales through your referral. So, this is how you can make money through affiliate marketing. That's all about top 5 ways by which you can earn money online. I hope you now know how to make money online. I've listed all the practical ways to make money, and if you have some more good ideas, do comment it down and help others living a great life. Thanks and best of luck. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for new videos.